Must-try hamburger places in Florida other than Hooters. And best places to visit. Why food and travel go hand in hand. If you are a foodie and a travel enthusiast, then you know that food and travel go hand in hand. Food tourism, also known as culinary travel or gastronomic tourism, is becoming increasingly popular among travelers who want to experience the local culture through its cuisine. Whether you are traveling solo or with friends and family, exploring the best hamburger places can be an exciting adventure. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on a journey for the best hamburger that will leave your taste buds tingling. These restaurants are known for their delicious burgers made with high-quality ingredients, unique toppings, and creative flavor combinations. Wow, the most exciting part is that you get to explore all the essential locations that are a must-visit while you're in the area. I'd be happy to describe these restaurants known for their burgers in Florida. La Tub Saloon, Hollywood. This restaurant is located on the Intracoastal Waterway and has a laid-back atmosphere. Their burgers are juicy and flavorful, and their portions are generous. The restaurant is known for their sirloin burger, which is served on a Kaiser roll with all the classic toppings. The outdoor seating area is a great spot to enjoy the waterfront view. These are the places to tour before or after you visit this hamburger joint. Number 1, Hollywood Beach Boardwalk. This 2.5-mile boardwalk is a must-visit attraction in Hollywood. It stretches along the beach and is lined with restaurants, shops, and hotels. You can rent bikes, rollerblades, or take a leisurely stroll while enjoying the ocean views. Number 2, Art and Culture Center, Hollywood. This museum is dedicated to showcasing contemporary art exhibitions and educational programs in the South Florida region. The museum features a range of exhibits from local and international artists, as well as workshops and classes. Number 3, Ann Kolb Nature Center. This nature center is located in Westlake Park and is home to a variety of wildlife, including birds, turtles, and alligators. You will love to explore the mangrove forests and wetlands via a variety of hiking trails or take a guided tour on a kayak or canoe. There is also a museum and observation tower that offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Keg and Coin, St. Petersburg. This gastropub offers a wide variety of craft beers and burgers. Their burgers are made with grass-fed beef and have creative toppings like mac and cheese and jalapeno poppers. The atmosphere is lively and perfect for a night out with friends. Here are 3 great places to tour in St. Petersburg, Florida. Number 1, the Dali Museum. This museum is dedicated to the life and works of the famous Spanish artist Salvador Dali. The museum boasts a collection of over 2,000 pieces of art, including paintings, sculptures, and photographs. Visitors can take a guided tour, watch a film about Dali's life, or explore the beautiful gardens outside the museum. Number 2, St. Petersburg Pier. The newly opened St. Petersburg Pier is a stunning waterfront destination that offers something for everyone. You can enjoy a range of activities, including fishing, boating, and kayaking, or simply take in the panoramic views of Tampa Bay. The pier also features a variety of shops, restaurants, and a rooftop bar. Number 3, Sunken Gardens. This botanical garden is one of the oldest in the country and is home to over 50,000 tropical plants and flowers. There is a beautiful winding paths, waterfalls, and ponds, and learn about the history of the gardens, which date back to the 1930s. The gardens also offer a range of educational programs and events throughout the year. The Black Cat, Miami Beach. Please let us know and also subscribe. This trendy restaurant offers a unique take on classic burgers. Their Black Cat Burger is made with a blend of brisket, sirloin, and short rib and is topped with caramelized onions and Gouda cheese. The atmosphere is sleek and modern, with a full bar and outdoor seating. Located in the heart of Miami Beach, South Beach is a world-renowned destination known for its stunning Art Deco architecture, white sand beaches, and vibrant nightlife. You can enjoy a range of activities from sunbathing to water sports, and explore the many restaurants, bars, and shops along Ocean Drive. Here are 3 great places to tour in South Beach, Florida. Number 1, Art Deco Historic District. This district is home to the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture, with over 800 buildings dating back to the 1920s and 1930s. It's great to take a guided walking tour or explore on your own, admiring the pastel-colored buildings, neon signs, and intricate details that make this area so unique. Number 2, Lincoln Road Mall. This pedestrian-only outdoor mall is a popular destination for shopping, dining, and people watching. It's a perfect place to browse a variety of stores, from big-name brands to local boutiques, and enjoy a meal or drink at one of the many restaurants and cafes lining the street. Number 3, Miami Beach Boardwalk. This scenic boardwalk stretches for miles along the beachfront, offering stunning views of the ocean and the city skyline. Also, you can walk, jog, or bike along the path, and take advantage of the many amenities along the way, including restrooms, showers, and beach access points. The boardwalk is also home to a number of restaurants and bars where visitors can stop for a drink or a bite to eat. Charm City Burger Company, Deerfield Beach. This restaurant offers a wide variety of burgers with creative toppings like peanut butter and jelly and mac and cheese. Their Charm City Burger is a classic cheeseburger with a secret sauce and buttered brioche bun. The atmosphere is casual and family-friendly, with a large outdoor seating area. Here are 3 great places to tour in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Number 1. Deerfield Beach Pier. This iconic pier is a popular destination for fishing, sightseeing, and taking in the beautiful ocean views. A must walk along the pier, watch the sunrise or sunset, or even go scuba diving or snorkeling in the nearby waters. Number 2. Quiet Waters Park. This expansive park offers a range of activities for visitors of all ages, including hiking and biking trails, campsites, and a water park. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including alligators, turtles, and birds, making it a great destination for nature lovers. Number 3. Deerfield Island Park. This hidden gem is a secluded island accessible only by boat, offering a unique and peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. You can take a guided tour of the island, go kayaking or canoeing, or simply relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. The Joint, Miami. This restaurant offers a unique twist on classic burgers. Their Korean fried chicken burger is made with a crispy chicken patty, Korean barbecue sauce, and coleslaw. The restaurant also offers vegan and vegetarian options. The atmosphere is laid back and perfect for a casual meal. The Grind, Miami. This restaurant offers a variety of burgers made with grass-fed beef and fresh ingredients. Their Grind Burger is a classic cheeseburger with all the toppings, but it's the quality of the beef that really shines through. The atmosphere is cozy and perfect for a date night. The Greenhouse, Miami. This health-focused restaurant offers burgers made with grass-fed beef and organic produce. Their Greenhouse Burger is a classic cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, and onion. The restaurant also offers vegan and gluten-free options. The atmosphere is bright and modern, with a focus on sustainability and eco-friendliness. The Local, Miami. The Local is a farm-to-table restaurant that uses locally sourced ingredients. Their burgers are cooked to perfection and have unique toppings like bacon marmalade and blue cheese. The restaurant also offers vegan and gluten-free options. The atmosphere is cozy and casual, with a rustic decor. Here are great places to tour in Miami, Florida. Everglades National Park. This expansive wilderness area is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including alligators, panthers, and manatees. 2. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. This historic villa was built in the early 20th century and features 34 rooms filled with European antiques and art. The gardens are equally impressive, with beautiful fountains, sculptures, and a maze of paths that lead to the waterfront. 3. Little Havana. This vibrant neighborhood is known for its Cuban culture, food, and music. Visitors can stroll along Calle Ocho, sample traditional Cuban food and coffee, and watch locals playing dominoes in the park. 4. Windward Walls. This outdoor art museum features colorful and vibrant street art murals by artists from around the world. Visitors can walk through the streets and alleys, taking in the beautiful and thought-provoking artwork. 5. Miami Design District. This trendy neighborhood is home to high-end fashion boutiques, art galleries, and restaurants. Visitors can shop for designer clothing, admire contemporary art, and dine at some of the city's best restaurants. 6. Miami Seaquarium. This marine park features a variety of sea creatures, including dolphins, sea lions, and manatees. Visitors can watch live shows, swim with dolphins, and learn about marine conservation efforts. 7. Key West. This island paradise at the southernmost point of Florida is known for its laid-back vibe, colorful architecture, and beautiful beaches. It is a good 6-hour drive but really well worth the time to see the views along the way and such a unique place 90 miles from Cuba. As you can see, there is more to see in Miami, and I could have added more to this list. So, don't leave this place without visiting to all these great places. Savor every moment of your trip with these insider tips on eating and touring in Florida. If you liked this video, please help me grow by subscribing and liking.